Okay. Another V. No trespassing, it's private property. So we're not allowed to get in here. Fire restrictions. This looks nice with the view. Yay. Virginia City, Silver Terrace Cemeteries. There's an audio tour. Yeah, I know. We need to wear our gloves. The temperature went down from 55 to 46.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, it's, I think it's higher elevation. Monday through Sunday. Close on Sunday.
Surprised they're closed then. For the weekend, I would think that's when a lot of people come.
They have brochures, they have... It's cold. If I headed that way or this way. People were like, oh, those two are tourists. It's cold and snowing. Going to look at the cemetery. And it says the richest city here. So is this because it's expensive here?
Yeah.
6 feet apart. Better than 6 feet under. Cool. It's nice. Covered it in. They put plastic cover on it. It's like a pet.
Aw.
It's a pet, right?
Aw, yeah.
Because there's like a dog there.
Aw.
There's a little dog. But it's cold. And I don't know if the camera can see the snow falling. Comstock Cemetery Foundation. Outdoor museum. If it's not snowing. So this is a change of pace for our adventure today. It was sunny.
This is not fun.
It's not fun, it's too cold. This morning it was sunny, it was colder, but not like this with snow. It's like ice pellets, it's not really snow, right? It's like,
Yeah, just very, very tiny.
yeah,
Very tiny.
it means that's just the start. Afterwards, it'll be real snow. And we don't have tire chains.
I don't want to die here.
Yeah. And that was like winding road through the canyon road.
Yeah.
So does that mean we have to make a U-turn or
Yeah, we'll make a U-turn and go the way.
the way back?
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a marker here. Snowing. It's a Jewish cemetery, Virginia City, 1862. You can see the snow pellets, ice pellets. It's already collecting in our jackets. And we're wearing sunglasses too. Like it's sunny, but it's not. Although that part, it's sunny, but here in the mountain, it's not. And I thought we are gonna drive through that dust cloud,
Yeah.
but it was like lifted. So this is the entrance. We have the Mason symbol up there. And that's the entrance we get in. This is cold. We need to wear gloves. Because I think my hand is already purple. Okay, I'll switch off first. So now it's more serious. We got the gloves on. It's the first time I wore these gloves since winter in Texas. But out there on the other mountain, on the other side, it's sunny.
Yeah.
But here
Let's go
it's
to a
like,
cemetery over there.
it's gonna be hot there. But here it's like it's nice. Yeah, so Mason symbols must be like a Mason community. Oh, there's even it's gonna be hard to bury a person here because you have to climb up,
Yeah.
carry the coffin and dig. Looks like this is like hard soil.
Yeah.
It's hard mountain soil. And they chose a mountain, a hill. To climb up. And there's like a post here. Wow. Like a monument. Oh, this one is. Oh, I thought it's Chinese. It's not. There's a luggage. Symbol. HP 84. Very nice. So I'm going to walk inside the village. Careful. If you fall down there, that's a long way down. And it's gonna be painful with all those sticks.
Oh yeah, another cemetery in that way.
It's a private one. The main here and there. They probably start burying people down there and then move back. Or it's the Virginia City town. It's very nice. There's one property there that's up on the hill, but I don't know if you want to buy it. Look at my hat on. 71 years old.
That tree is pretty. Look at that.
Yeah. Very nice. Look at the pretty tree. It's already broken. It's a nice tree, and then there's someone's buried under the tree. Oops. Maybe we don't want to step on those. Peter Hill. flowers.
butterflies.
Okay. This would be good for camping because we will have shade. Yeah, the one I camp at Fort Sumner in New Mexico.
Uh-huh.
I smelled something. I was like, "What's the smell?" And then I thought it was like some chemicals, but it was flowers.
Oh, wow.
It's like bushes.
Wow.
And I thought I was like, "Man, I don't want to come here. I can smell chemicals." But then when I went to the bush, I smelled it. I was like, "Wow, it's the flowers, and they're tiny flowers too."
Wow. Another pretty trees.
Some were just
Can't
wood.
really see anything on it though.
Yeah, it's already.
Years old. Oh, he's from Ireland.
Wow, still young.
Oh.
1982. I think the life expectancy at the time was like 40s or
Yeah.
something.
Well, that's why people had so many kids too, because the babies died
Oh,
and
okay.
they needed kids to help out with labor.
Farm, yeah.
And a lot of women died. You
Yeah,
know,
childbirth.
childbirth.
It's a dangerous time to
Yeah.
live. And there's a lot of campers up there on that side.
Oh yeah.
Maybe that's a hotel area. And then this one looks like it collapsed.
Yeah.
This one is nice. 62 years old. Wow. Susie. Well, at least the snow slowed down a bit, but you can still see it. There's like a church up there. Surrounded by mountains. And it's already May 20th. And it feels like it's the winter. Still winter-like. Switch it off for now.